for grinding?
Everybody.
Huh.
Grinding and back and shake out. VMM guys don't have them because they're not really near any heat, except for the ladle, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And the low ladle comes by. Oh my God! You can be a few hundred feet away. You can still feel the BTUs coming off that thing. It's a real cool looking little thing too. It's like an L train, but it's suspended.
Telfers? We got them.
What?
A Telfer?
We just call it the bull ladle.
Playing with it?
Yeah, it's on a track all above the ground.
Yep.
Yeah, we got
Hanging from the
three
ceiling.
of them, I think.
Yep.
Finally got a new one in there.
Yeah, ours hangs from the ceiling and comes down, just brings it down, goes to the next one, does all six, comes back. Video. And we've got two that it can pour from now. One's filling out, one's popular.
But we only got, my Telfers only go up to the George Fish.
Just one. That was bigger than that.
And then the little ones are all, like the BMN and BMP are all,
And Nummy?
where a person does all the
Nummy?
pouring and transfers all the metal and stuff.
I'm guessing so. You haven't spit it out yet.
Yeah, ours has, we got one guy up there in the bull ladle.
Catch your feet.
He drives
Catch your
like
feet.
come around, pull
He likes to play with it as well.
First one, pour it out. He runs 13,000 pounds.
Goofy. I have food. It's better than the camera.
Yeah,
I make the dinner, Mommy.
to
The camera shows how cute I am. This just makes me fat.
and get a hose from the belt.
Yeah, but this makes you a cute fat, which makes the camera want to videotape you.
We got some of those for the grinders and stuff.
They're nice. They're really nice.